want you to stay. Till I'm in the grave. Till I rot away, dead and buried. Till I'm in the casket you carry. You go, I'm going too. 'Cause it was always you. Oh, and if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said it.
Hey guys, it's Jaleesa and welcome back to my channel. So girl, happy Thursday. It is 8:25 and I'm getting ready for work. Well, I'm about to go leave for work. I just made me an iced coffee and I used the coconut cream by Coffee Mate and it tastes pretty good. I actually just realized I still had that, or I did have that yesterday when I was giving my mom some creamers, because girl, I have so many creamers in there. I have like 6 creamers, so I gave her like 2 of them. And I saw that I had the sugar cookie by International Delight and I had this coconut cream, so I was like, let me use this stuff. I just been stuck on that chocolate chip cookie, brown butter chocolate chip cookie one by Coffee Mate. It's so good. But yeah, so I'm getting ready to head out. Girl, I'm cramping a little bit. So, and I got a full day. I got 8 clients, 4 this morning and 4 this evening. And I am thanking God for that, baby, because it was a time where I had 1 and 2 clients a day. But I know people got they taxes back. So come see your girl, okay? Come see me. So I will see you guys at work. Hey girl, so I just made me some strawberry cheesecake muffins. I already ate my dinner, shower, all of that. I know y'all want some. I don't think you can have this, dude. But girl, so this evening at work, I was in the middle of doing somebody's brows and I just felt like I couldn't breathe. I had a mask on. And I think me feeling like that, I started panicking. My heart started racing. I just felt like I was gonna pass out or something. Girl, I got so scared. So I stopped doing the brow, drank some water and just kind of breathed a little bit. And then I started feeling better. But I was like, what was that? What exactly was that? I don't have time. No. I don't know what that was, but no. We're gonna review that. I'm not even gonna entertain that no more. So on to the next subject. Came home and here I am. I had the sweet potato, broccoli, and ground turkey with the taco seasoning in it. Just a second. So that was my last sweet potato. Y'all know I had cooked 3 and I've been eating them. So I was trying to see, what are y'all eating with y'all sweet potatoes? Because you know sweet potatoes are a big trend right now. What are y'all eating with it? I was thinking about, I saw somebody do salmon, but salmon, they be saying got parasites and stuff in it. So I hadn't ate salmon since. So I'm just trying to see here. So I'm just trying to see what y'all eating with it. I thought about shrimp, chicken. I don't know. I'll come up with something though. I got another thing of ground turkey, but I don't want to get tired of it. So I got 2 more sweet potatoes, and I'll probably make it tomorrow. These little muffins are good. Anywho, girl, one of my clusters came off on that side. You can't tell like real bad, but yeah, came off last night. But anyway, I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Hey girl, good morning, happy Friday. So this morning we are about to take y'all. So y'all know I took my babies to the vet. Blaze had an ear infection. Blue had to do his parasite test and get his bordetella up his nose. And Blue, he was scratching at his ear, but not bad. He's scratching at it bad now. So I just made him a vet appointment. I have to be to work all day today, so my mom is gonna take them, but I'm going to take them to my mom's job, drop them off, and then head to work. So that's what we're doing today. I got my glasses on because the contacts that they gave me, I like them, but they dry so bad, and they mess with like my vision. Like I don't see clear sometimes because they be so dry. So I just put my glasses on because it'll happen in the middle of me doing lashes or doing brows or something. So I just say, you know what, let me go ahead and not play myself today and put these glasses on. So yeah, that's what we're about to do, and I will see you guys at work. Alright y'all, I'm on break. So I wanted to show y'all what Blue is doing. The reason I went ahead and made him a vet appointment. My mom took him this morning. He is wearing that ear out, baby. It's red. So they took him, my mom took him to the vet, and he did have a bad ear infection. It's mainly in his left ear, but he do have one in his right, but he just cannot stand it. They gave him the same ear little solution stuff, well, ear medicine stuff that Blaze has. And Blaze, his ears are a lot better now. He don't even itch at them. So they went ahead and put it in. I told my mom to just tell him to go ahead and put the medicine in his ear. But hopefully by tomorrow or Sunday, he'll stop like itching at it so bad. Because, ooh, it's really bothering him right now. You see how red it is, his left one? But yeah, just want to give y'all an update on Blue Bud. And oh yeah, I'm recording on my phone, by the way, but I have a long break at work. It's like 12:30 right now, and I just put up a story on my spam TikTok account. Y'all go follow that. I'll put it on the screen. But and I was like, am I the only one who comes home on break when I have like a long, like a couple hour break, and put my pajamas back on and chill out? Do anybody else do that? Me and my babies is chilling. It's like 12:30. I go back at 3. Yes, I'm putting back on my pajamas. Cause yeah. Y'all, it is a waltz in here. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? It came in because I let my babies. I'm about to. Ooh. Okay, y'all, I had to call my mama. I'm so dramatic, but I sprayed him with this wasp and hornet killer. Girl, I sprayed so much of it. Oh my gosh. But I think, oh. Do I need to get him again? Child. I'm about to spray the whole can. How do you get up this stuff so my babies won't get in it? Like, because I know I can clean it up, I can Clorox it, but what else can I do to really get rid of the stuff? Yeah, he gone. He gone. But I need to clean this up. Hey girl, and happy Saturday. So, y'all are gonna be proud of me. First of all, it is 3:31. I got off work around, I don't know, 1 o'clock. And I went and helped my mom put some stuff up in her attic, because you know she always be helping me. Well, she be doing the stuff. She put the stuff in the attic. But I went and helped her put her Christmas stuff in her attic, because she finally took all her stuff down too. But y'all are gonna be proud of me. I finally got someone to put up the pictures. Y'all know those pictures I bought a long time ago, probably last year actually. Late last year, I remember saying that I ordered some pictures off Amazon, and I got another set from Ross, I believe. Well, these are the two. Well, I got 3. These, I put 2 of them on this wall behind my kitchen table. Let me show y'all. Okay, so these are the pictures, 2 of the 3 pictures that I got from Amazon. And I like them. I think they look good with my little mats on the table. I may change that flower to like a white flower, but I really like this. I like this. What y'all think about this? I like this. And the other one I got put over here. Let me turn the light on for y'all. Okay. So the other one I turned sideways and got it put right there. So that's how that is looking. I kind of wanted it to come down a little, but the guy that put it up said that it should be lined up with this little opening. Y'all see what I'm talking about? That little part right there. It should be lined up. So yeah, he said if I wanted to get a longer picture, it'll fit too, so or a bigger one, whatever, so it will look better like that. So yeah, and the other 2 I got from Ross I put above my bed. So I'm still kind of trying to figure out what I want to do with the bed, and I'm probably just gonna leave it like this because I'm pretty simple. I just put those throw pillows back there behind these 2 white ones. I'm trying to get them to stand up properly, but yeah, so this is how it's looking so far. I absolutely love these pictures right here. I like that, I really do. So yeah, girl, let me know what y'all think about the picture placements. And I'm thinking about putting a light above this one. You know those picture lights? I think I'm gonna put one above that one. So we moving right along, slowly but surely. Y'all saw I put my little scent things, plug-ins in the wall. So yeah, smells like apples around here, cinnamon apples. I think I'm about to get out the boys' ball pits and let them play with that, to have them like a little activity to do. And I may take them on a little ride, I don't know, we'll see. But I'm gonna let y'all see me set up their ball pit. Blue has never done it. Blaze and Bella did it last year for his birthday. But I never had balls in it. I've always had balloons. I've only did balloons. So me and my mom got some balls like last year sometime. So we gonna set it up and see how they like it. Oh, wait a minute. Get out of there. Get out. Lord have mercy. Move back, boy. There is not enough balls. Can y'all see? Yeah. I'm like, what it is? You like it, dude? Don't bite the ball. Dude, don't bite it. Tookie, you supposed to get in here and play. Dude. Yes, play in there. I guess they trying to figure it out. Try. Tunk over there biting them. Blue done jumped out biting it. They finna tear these balls up. The ghetto, honey. I guess they like the pit, but the camera cut off in the middle of them playing in it, and y'all didn't even get to see me get in it. I got all up in there and played with them. But if you're following me on my social medias, you will see that I did post them on my stories because I was recording on my camera too. So go ahead and follow your girl. And I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here because I really don't have anything planned to do for the rest of the day. And I don't want to bore y'all. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you. And I will see you in the next video. Mwah.